Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
My
ma'am.
topic is about leukocytosis. Uh, Leukocytosis வந்து எதனால வருதுன்னா லியூக்கோசைட்டுன்றது WBC. ஸோ அது வந்து நம்மளுக்கு கம்மியாகிறப்போ வந்து லியூகோசைட்டோசிஸ் வரும். Leukocyte, it is another name for white blood cells. These are the cells in the blood that help the body to fight infections and some diseases. Leukocytosis now, it is a condition that there is an increase in the number of white cells in the blood, especially during an infection. A high level of white blood cells in the blood, அந்த கண்டிஷனை தான் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு லியூகோசைட்டோசிஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்றாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட், டைப்ஸ் அண்ட் காசஸ் ஆஃப் லியூகோசைட்டோசிஸ். லியூகோசைட்ஸ்ல வந்து நம்மளுக்கு நியூட்ரோஃபிலியா, பேசோஃபிலியா, தென் ஈசனோஃபிலியா, மோனோசைட்ஸ் அண்ட் லிம்போசைட்ஸ் இருக்கு. அதில் நியூட்ரோஃபிலியா பார்க்கலாம். This is an increase in WBCs called neutrophils. They are the most common type of WBCs, accounting for 40 to 60 percentage of your WBCs. Neutrophilia is the type of leukocytosis that occurs most often. Causes of neutrophilia: infections, anything that causes long term inflammation, including injuries and arthritis, reaction to some drug such as steroids, lithium, and some inhalers, some kinds of leukemia, a reaction to emotional or physical stress from things like anxiety, surgery, and exercise, having your spleen removed, smoking. Next one. Next, lymphocytosis. Um, about 20 to 40% of your WBCs are lymphocytes. An increased number of these cells is called lymphocytosis. This type of leukocytosis is very common. Causes of lymphocytosis: viral infections, whooping cough, allergic reactions, some kind of leukemia. Monocytosis. This is the name for a high number of monocytes. This cell type makes up only about 2 to 8% of your blood WBCs. Monocytosis is uncommon. Causes of monocytosis: infections from certain things like the Epstein Barr virus, including mononucleosis, tuberculosis, and fungus; autoimmune disease like lupus and ulcerative colitis; having your spleen removed. These are the causes of monocytosis. Then eosinophilia. This means there are a high number of cells called eosinophils in your blood. These cells make up about 1 to 4% of your WBCs. It is also an uncommon type of leukocytosis. Causes of eosinophilia is allergies and allergic reactions, including hay fever and asthma, parasite infections, some skin diseases, lymphoma, cancers are associated with the immune system. Basophilia. This is a high level of WBCs called basophils. There aren't many of these cells in your blood, only 0.1 to 1% of your WBCs. Basophilia is rare. Uh, Causes of basophilia: leukemia or bone marrow cancer, most often. Occasionally, allergic reactions occurs. Each type of leukocytosis tends to be associated with a few conditions. Neutrophilia is associated with infections and inflammation. Lymphocytosis is associated with the viral infections and leukemia. Monocytosis is associated with certain infections and cancer. Eosinophilia is associated with allergies and parasites. Basophilia is associated with leukemia. Symptoms of leukocytosis. Uh, Leukocytosis itself can cause a symptoms if the number of WBCs, it is a change, என்ன கிடையாது, B, WBCs is high. It makes your blood so thick that it cannot flow properly. This is a medical emergency that can cause stroke, problems with your vision, breathing problems இருக்கும். Then bleeding from areas covered with mucosa such as mouth, stomach and intestines. This is called a hyperviscosity syndrome. It happens with leukemia, but it's rare condition. Other symptoms of leukocytosis are related to the condition causing your high number of WBCs, or sometimes due to effects of the specific type of white blood cells. These may include fever and pain or other symptoms at the site of an infection. Fever, easy bruising, weight loss, and night sweats with leukemia and other cancers. Hives, itching skin, and rashes from an allergic reaction on your skin. Breathing problems and wheezing from an allergic reaction in your lungs. You may have no symptoms if your leukocytosis is related to stress or reaction to a drug. அந்த கண்டிஷன்ஸ்ல வந்து நம்மளுக்கு சிம்டம்ஸ் வந்து மோர் ஆர் லெஸ் காட்டாது. Leukocytosis in pregnancy. Pregnant women usually have a higher than normal WBC levels. These levels increases gradually, and by the last 3 months of pregnancy, the WBC count is typically between 5,800 and 13,200 per microliter of blood. The stress of labor and delivery can also increase WBCs. It remains slightly above normal, that is around 12,700 per microliter of blood for a while after the baby is born. Diagnosis. um, மெடிக்கல் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி அது மாதிரி ஏதாவது அப்படி இருந்தா it and will check for the following things which are done in the past. Medications that you have used either currently or in the past. Physician inquires about any allergies that you have been suffered in the past. In addition, information on any emotional or physical stress prior to the onset of leukocytosis. Then a doctor will order a blood test and other diagnostic methods which are used to confirm the presence of leukocytosis. Blood testல a complete blood count எடுப்பாங்க. Then peripheral blood smear test வந்து எடுப்பாங்க. In complete blood count, the number of WBCs in the blood is checked through a simple blood test. Peripheral blood smear test. This is a kind of blood test used to find the size, shape, and form of blood WBCs. It also indicates that which component of WBC contributing a leukocytosis shows elevated. Next slide. Bone marrow biopsy. A small sample of solid bone marrow is withdrawn to find the mistakes during the synthesis of blood cells from bone marrow. Then bone marrow aspiration. A syringe with a hollow needle is inserted into the bone marrow, and, and a liquid portion of a bone marrow is aspirated. The genetic mutation in the hematopoietic cells is also being tested using the sample obtained from this test. Microbiology test is also taken to find the causative agent of infections from blood, urine, stool, and sputum. Microbiological test is conducted. Imaging studies la CT scan. CT scan is performed in the chest area to find any clog in the blood vessels of the lungs and heart, because leukocytosis may develops clumps of WBCs in the blood vessels and stops the flow. Treatment of leukocytosis based on what's causing it, antibiotics for infections, treatment of conditions that cause inflammation, antihistamines and inhalers for allergic reactions, chemotherapy, radiation, and sometimes a stem cell transplant for leukemia, medication changes if possible, if the cause is on drug reaction, treatment of causes of stress and anxiety if they are present. Hyperviscosity syndrome is a medical emergency treated with intravenous fluids, medications, and other methods of quickly getting the WBC count down. This is done to make the blood cells less thick so it flows normally again. Or else bone marrow transplant and then chemotherapy பண்றது. Next. Prevention. There are some prevention methods which reduces the chances of affecting this disease. Completely avoid alcohol consumption. Reduce the consumption of barbecued or grilled foods often. Try to avoid food that is cooked by microwave and reheated. Cut down artificial sweetness and aerated drinks, saturated fats like butter and margarine in your lifetime. Consume foods that are rich in antioxidants daily. Intake food that is rich in omega 3 fatty acids, which helps to fight infection of WBC. Include fruit and vegetables in your diet that contains vitamin C, high vitamin C. Eat raw fruits and vegetables by preparing salads and fruit juices. That's it. Thank you.